My name is Kirsten Jordan with the Corcoran Group, and I am so excited to show you this 20-foot wide brand new townhouse in the heart of Williamsburg. This is where high design and livability meet in the coolest neighborhood of New York City. Come with me. As soon as you step in, you can sense the sheer volume. This is what you want in a townhouse. This entry gallery greets you, and you immediately notice the style and the care that went into the design of this home. You have lime-washed slurry plaster walls, a curved linear staircase, and a wall of invisible hinge doors that hide a ton of closets and a powder room. And if you look right here, you can see where the light plays off the plaster. And the play of natural light is one of this home's many incredible features. From the entry gallery, you walk into what is arguably one of the most beautiful kitchens in New York City. Talk about volume. This is my kind of kitchen. You have custom millwork and cabinetry, Calacatta marble, countertops and backsplash with gorgeous veining, and this huge island that can seat up to 6. And of course, it's got only the best appliances and fixtures. I promise you, cooking here will definitely make your guests say, "Yes, chef." Another great thing about this townhouse is the loft-like open flow between the spaces. Right here at the end of the island, you have this formal dining area. And it sits beneath a 20-foot tall, double-height atrium with a curtain wall of glass. And yes, that is a south-facing exposure, and yes, that is a garden. You want to take a look? Welcome to Big Sky Country in the middle of Williamsburg. This is seamless indoor-outdoor living at its finest. And those garden parties are definitely gonna make your home the center of the universe. Now let's head up to the living room. Up here you have not one, but 2 entertaining spaces flanking this sculptural stair and a powder room. The north-facing living room would be awesome for a movie night, cocktails, or just lounging. And like the rest of the home, it's pin drop quiet. The south-facing living room is sexy and cinematic. It has southern-facing light streaming in through the wall of windows. And you can even preview what's for dinner in the dining room. I actually think this is the perfect spot to put your DJ for the housewarming party. Don't forget to invite me. While there are 4 unique bedrooms in this home, the 3rd floor makes up the entire primary suite. And how sweet it is. It features this huge bedroom, a terrace, a dressing room, and this impressive 5-fixture bath that manages to be both luxurious and totally practical. This is truly a dreamy bedroom. And last but not least, this incredible roof deck. It has some of the best views in all of Williamsburg. Can you imagine the possibilities? The sky's the limit. Rarely do you see a home where craft, artistry, and comfort come together in such a beautiful way. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I can't wait to see you on the next one.
If you can't get enough of these fabulous homes and designs, then you gotta like and subscribe, because we could all use a little more fabulous in our lives, right?